Welcome to the ARL Gift series of instructional videos. In this video, we'll explain what a question bank course object is in the course creator and how they can be used to dynamically assess a learner's knowledge on course concepts. As a prerequisite to question banks, we encourage you to check out our other videos on course concepts and surveys to fully understand what we'll be covering in this video. After your course concepts are defined and you're familiar with creating survey materials, let's check out the question bank course object. Let's begin with an example that you might build yourself. Question banks are just like surveys, except meant to cover specific course concepts at specific levels of expertise up front. We can see this as we initially create the question bank course object. Question banks are a pool of questions. Each question should be associated with a course concept. Tests using question banks are created by randomly selecting questions from the question bank according to the course concepts that you specify. Specific configurations for your questions can be found to the right as you're configuring your question bank object. Let's take a look at an example of question banks back on the Take a Course page. We'll continue by editing the Science is Zarked public course. Question banks can be used to dynamically assess the learner's knowledge during a course. The questions the learner gets are automatically picked from a pool you created in the question bank course object. Once your course concepts are fully defined, and we click on a question bank course object, the Concepts to Cover configuration menu can be used to tag relevant topics to the question bank. You can also edit the number of questions to show. These are arranged by each potential course concept and difficulty. You can also customize the level of proficiency that you want the learner to attain on each course concept. Finally, you can also choose to simply record the data for research purposes or allow the results of the question bank-based assessment to influence the course flow later. Influencing the course with adaptation is done through checking the Use Results to Influence Course Flow button located at the bottom of the configuration menu. Results may also be displayed to the learner in structured reviews by checking this final option. Thank you for your interest, and join the conversation at gifttutoring.org.